Welcome to the World Trade Webcast, your source for news analysis and information about doing business worldwide. I'm Greg Sandler, president of ThinkGlobal.com, the B2B marketplace for global trade leads. This week on the World Trade Webcast, we're focusing on 4 upcoming trade shows in Las Vegas that are part of the U.S. Commerce Department's International Buyer Program. Today, we're going to talk about the shooting, hunting, and outdoor trade show known as the SHOT Show, which will be held from January 20th through the 23rd at the Sands Expo Center in Las Vegas. The SHOT Show is dedicated to the firearms, ammunition, and hunting and shooting accessories industry. The largest trade show of its kind in the world, the SHOT Show features more than 1,600 exhibitors, filling booth space covering 630,000 square feet. The show, which is a trade-only event, attracts more than 65,000 industry professionals from all 50 states and 100 countries. The SHOT Show connects buyers and exhibitors from all over the world. In its second year as a participant in the U.S. Department of Commerce's International Buyer Program, the SHOT Show is creating even more opportunity to explore new markets. The $6 billion firearms industry has enjoyed robust sales over the past few years, fueled in part by newcomers to the shooting sports who, according to a recent foundation report, are younger, more female, and more urban-based. Newcomers have identified target shooting and personal and home protection as the top reasons for purchasing their first firearm. Manufacturers of firearms, ammunition, optics, cutlery, apparel, accessories, and law enforcement equipment will introduce new products and services at this year's SHOT Show. Retailers will then be offering consumers those products during the course of the upcoming year. You can visit the show's website for more details. In the meantime, join us again tomorrow for a preview of the World of Concrete show. And for our latest schedule of upcoming episodes, subscribe to us with any of the links below and bookmark this page. All of our previous episodes can be found right here at thinkglobal.com/webcast. And thanks for watching.